Good evening, Captain Pascual. I'm Midshipman Cadet Valenzuela John Lloyd. This is my activity on direction, symbol, and degree. North 360 degree, north by east 11.25 degree, north-northeast 25.50 degree, northeast by north 33.75 degree, northeast 45 degree, northeast by east 56.25 degree, east-northeast 67.50 degree, east by north 78.75 degree, east 90 degree, east by south 101.25 degree, east southeast 112.50 degree, southeast by east 123.75 degree, southeast 135 degree, southeast by south 146.25 degree, southeast 157.50 degree, south by east 168.75 degree, south 180 degree, south by west 191.25 degree, southwest 202.50 degree, southwest by south 213.75 degree, southwest 225 degree, southwest by west 236.25 degree, west southwest 247.50 degree, west by south 258.75 degree, west 270 degree, W west XN 281.25 degree, 2 degree, west northwest 292.50 degree, northwest x west 303.75 degree, northwest 315 degree, northwest by north 326.25 degree, northwest 337.50 degree, north by west 248.75 degree. Yun lamang po, sir, and thank you.